Let's get you a breaking update as far as the oath taking that has been taking place of the newly elected parliamentarians. Now we are told that a complaint has been filed over Asauddin Owaisi's oath where he had said Jai Palestine or Jai Philistine during the end of his oath. And it seems that even when it comes to his remarks, there were many when it comes to criticism that had been raised. Mohit, thereafter, the comments also being expunged, but we are told that a complaint that has now been filed against Asauddin Owaisi.
Well, Amita, yes, those records, those statements by Asauddin Owaisi have not gone on the record. This has not been confirmed by the Parliamentary Affairs Ministry. But yes, we have seen that how chorus for action against Asauddin Owaisi has been mounting in from the BJP. And now we see that how Vishnu Shankar Jain, an activist, a lawyer, who have been associated with very cases when it comes to the temple, he has basically tweeted a complaint has been filed before the President of India against Mr. Asauddin Owaisi in terms of Article 102 and 103 of Constitution of India by Hari Shankar Jain. Hari Shankar Jain is a very senior lawyer. He's father of Vishnu Shankar Jain. And Vishnu Shankar Jain says that this petition seeks the disqualification of Asauddin Owaisi as the Member of Parliament. So we see that how Asauddin Owaisi, after he raised the Jai Palestine slogans, there have been massive chorus going in from the BJP that he should be disqualified and action should be taken. Why Asauddin Owaisi has come out and clearly stated that there is nothing wrong in saying Jai Palestine. But the question is that he has taken the oath of the Indian Parliament, Indian Constitution, when why exactly was there need inside the Parliament to raise such questions? So these are the questions that are being asked. And now we see that how a complaint has been filed before the President of the country seeking the disqualification of Asauddin Owaisi as a Member of Parliament.
All right. So what is now being cited as far as the complainant in the case is concerned? Mohit, thank you very much. As far as the trouble that seems to be growing for Mr. Asauddin Owaisi on the very first day only that he has taken oath as a parliamentarian again, citing that Articles 102 and 103 of the Constitution has been violated. Vishnu Shankar Jain ji is with us right now. सर गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार आपको सर. अभी खबर हमें जानकारी ये मिल रही है कि आपने एक कंप्लेंट दर्ज करी है व्हेन इट कम्स टू असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ऑफ द एआईएमआईएम.
यस हमने कंप्लेंट फाइल की है
जी,
बिकॉज एज पर द प्रोविजंस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आर्टिकल 102 और 103 इफ एनी मेंबर ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट डज एनी काइंड ऑफ सच एन एक्ट, सो इट्स अ डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन व्हिच हैज अकर्ड बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ आर्टिकल 102 बिकॉज ही हैज शोन एलिजियंस एंड एडहेरेंस to a foreign nation. और उसके लिए प्रोसीजर लॉ में ये है that you have to file a complaint before the president, and in by virtue of article 103 the president has to recommend the matter to the election commission of India, and after hearing both the parties the election commission will give its report to the president, then a final decision will be taken so far as the issue of disqualification is concerned.
So will it still amount as far as the complaint for disqualification when his comments have been already expunged?
It is not about expansion. If you have shown your adherence or allegiance to a foreign nation on the floor of the house in front of the speaker, then it's a ground of disqualification by virtue of Article 102. It's not about expansion.
All right, sir.
You expunge it, you don't expunge it, but you have occurred a disqualification. Suppose, for example, if someone is not a citizen of India,
all right,
अगर कोई भारत का नागरिक नहीं है तो आप कहें नहीं मैं भारत का नागरिक नहीं हूं पर मैंने नागरिकता ले रहा हूं, मैं अभी लेने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, तो उससे आपकी डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं खत्म हो जाएगी. द मोमेंट यू से जय फिलिस्तीन यू हैव अकर्ड अ डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ आर्टिकल 102.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jain, for your point of view. As far as the complaint is now concerned, they are seeking disqualification when it comes to Asauddin Owaisi, who had raised the slogans of Jai Philistine while taking oath as a parliamentarian. All right, you're watching Times Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.